Evelyn and Parker is being promoted as a boutique-style clothing brand with a heartfelt backstory about a family-run business in Boston. But the real question is whether that story is genuine or just marketing. The store claims to be a long-running boutique built over 25 years, with a strong emotional narrative about a mother and daughter business and thousands of happy customers. Now, the idea behind this isn't completely fake. Many legitimate fashion brands do use storytelling and personal branding to connect with customers. However, here's the key issue. The backstory is very hard to verify, and there's little independent evidence confirming that Evelyn and Parker actually operates as a real, long-established boutique. There are also several red flags in how the store presents itself. Heavy discounts like 70% off and anniversary sale ending today. Claims like 115,000 plus satisfied customers without third-party proof. Highly polished testimonials shown only on the website. These tactics are commonly used by low-trust or drop-shipping stores, looking at similar boutique-style sites with the same pattern. Independent reviews are often very negative. Customers frequently report items not matching photos, cheap material quality, long shipping times from overseas, difficult or expensive return processes. Some investigations into similar stores also found fake or unclear business locations, recently created websites despite claiming long histories, bait and switch, products that differ from advertised images. This is important because Evelyn and Parker uses the exact same branding style and claims seen in those cases. It's also worth noting that real boutiques usually have verifiable physical locations or business records, consistent presence on trusted review platforms, transparent ownership, and history. So, is Evelyn and Parker a real backstory or fake store? It's likely a real website that sells products, but the brand story appears unverified and potentially misleading. The bottom line is that Evelyn and Parker shows multiple signs of being a high-risk online clothing store with a questionable backstory. So it's best to approach with caution or avoid until more reliable, independent reviews are available. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.